Welcome to My Home Hub. Today I'll be testing and reviewing these multi-purpose magnetic hooks from Arlec. These exact ones might not be available in every area, but similar magnetic hooks are sold under many generic brands, often with the same diameters and specs. The smaller 16mm hooks are rated for a pull force of 5 kg, while the 25mm hooks claim up to 12 kg. In reality though, those numbers are optimistic. You probably only reach them on a thick flat steel plate in perfect conditions, but in everyday use on thinner painted or uneven metal, and especially when the load pulls sideways, the holding strength drops quite a bit. To test their real world strength, I tried a few examples using the 25mm size. A meat tenderizer weighing 433 grams hangs with no problem at all. And a socket set weighing 462 grams also held strong. The hooks simply snap onto any metal surface, and the threaded design lets you rotate or reorient them easily. The smaller 16mm hooks are perfect for lighter items like tea towels, oven mitts, fairy lights or keys, while the 25mm hooks are better for heavier uses such as hanging kitchen utensils, tools or organising cables. These hooks are made from steel and finished with nickel and black epoxy coating. Overall, I find these magnetic hooks convenient, versatile and dependable for daily use around the home. The claimed 5 to 12 kg ratings are a stretch, but they're still strong enough for most household applications. I'll include some links where you can find similar magnetic hooks and check out other customer reviews. Thanks for visiting My Home Hub. If you found this review helpful, consider liking, subscribing and sharing the video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more reviews, DIYs and home tutorials. And until next time, happy hooking.